what made you decide to join the Great Investments Program?
I was starting to look at my investments in a little bit more detail, and sort of realizing there was a lot more information out there about sort of investing and what you're doing, and the more I read that, the more I realized that I wasn't getting a great deal from my current providers. It was just the normal, like a lot of people, they put you into a default scheme, which was delivering very low returns. So I wanted to do a bit more. I'd seen Alpesh on a few social media posts, and I was kind of intrigued about this guy wanting to help everyone, which was very interesting. So, like probably a lot of people wanting to do something, but there's so many snake oil salesmen out there, it was just sort of dipping my toe and just seeing, what is this really about, and wanting to know, really, before I did anything, whether it was genuine. So I was just, wanting to do something for myself, my family, but wanting to know exactly what to do was difficult to see. But Alpesh, his posts and sort of the Great Investment Program seemed very appealing. So I did a little bit more research around it, and finally sort of took the plunge a couple of years ago.
What has been the most valuable thing you've learned?
I think it's two things, really. I mean, because of the two-pronged approach, you've got the education. So it's for people who want to understand why it works, you've got the education there. And then you've got the ready-made portfolios. Now, I, like a lot of people, would never have the time, the expertise to do the research. So the research is invaluable, but to actually understand the background to that helps. And then you can go across and sort of just look at things and understand why things are working that way, or, because it's a stock market, why things aren't working that way. But just having the theory behind it, and I suppose the theory behind it is absolutely fantastic, and then you can dig down into individual stocks. But having the portfolios there, the historic, it gives you that that assurance that what you're doing is okay. And when you are looking at the portfolios and seeing how long they're underwater, but the end result, when it's your own money and not just an investment fund is saying, well, this is what we're doing, it takes a little bit of time to get used to. So I think the education, the backup, and now I didn't ever think the stock markets only went one way, but it is quite interesting to see, look, how long things are underwater, and just at least, if you're not sure, you can either go back to all the education, or you can have a look back at the historic results and do it two ways to convince yourself, but also look at what has been done. So that's both things, aspects, the portfolios and the education are great.
Has the program changed the way you think about investing?
It has. I think before I'd entered the program, I was of the probably naive point that a company default fund would be in your best interests, and it's obviously not. It's just set up to take your money, but it's also given you, or given me rather, a greater understanding of what I'm doing, what I'm trying to achieve, and what can be achieved. So before I joined, I was, like a lot of people, thinking, when you look at investment returns, you always get a kind of a low, medium, high, which is generally 3, 5, 7. Whereas the program, it had some good returns, and until you actually look at it, you think they're too good. So it's changed the way I want to invest. It's changed the way I'm now kind of responsible for my choices, as opposed to just putting it in someone else's hands who probably doesn't have my best interests at heart. So it's given me greater freedom to do what I want to do, with the backup behind it, really.
Would you recommend the program to someone considering joining, and if so, why?
I would recommend it wholeheartedly. I think it's given me the freedom, to invest how I want to. It's a great program, and I think I don't want to. So yes, if anyone is in any doubt, I would thoroughly recommend it. I'm more than happy to to speak to people and say, well, look, this is my experience, and I was a sort of chartered accountant and tax advisor, and naturally very cautious. But I've sort of taken the plunge, and I would recommend anyone else who wants to take more control of their own investments to do the same.